going to till now we calculated the values of sine 15, cos 15, tan 15, then we calculated sine 7.5, cos 7.5, tan 7.5, then we calculated 22.5 ratios, then we calculated 11:1/4 degree also. Now we are going to calculate the ratios of sine 18, 18 degree and 36 degree. We can say basically 18 degree, 36 degree, 54 degree and 72 degree. The ratios of these angles I am going to calculate for you now. Suppose I have to calculate sine 18. So let us assume let A is equal to 18 degree. If A is 18 degree, then 5A will be 90 degree. 5A will be 90 degree. If you multiply it by 5, 5 into A will become 18 5s are 90. Now I have to calculate sine 18, so let us calculate. And 2A can, 5A can be written as 2A plus 3A is equal to 90, or 2A will be 90 minus 3A. So let us take the sine of both the sides. Sine 2A will be sine 90 minus 3A. That is sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta will become what? Cos theta. It will become cos 3A. It will become cos 3A. Now, what is the formula for sine 2A? Sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. And what is the formula for cos 3A? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the formula. It is formula for cos 3A. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Now, here it is 2 sine A cos A is common this side. And if I take cos A common this side, it will become 4 cos square A minus 1 minus 3 minus 3. So cos A is there, but cos A cannot be equal to 0 because A has been assumed as 18. If I bring it to this side, what will happen is 2 sine A and minus 4 cos square A plus 3 and cos A is equal to 0. If I bring these terms to the side, it will happen like this. But cos A cannot be equal to 0 because the value of A is 18. So cos A cannot be equal to 0. So that is one point. Now this has to be equal to 0. 2 sine A minus 4. In place of cos square A, let me write it as 1 minus sine square A plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it will become 2 sine A minus 4 plus 4 sine square A plus 3 is equal to 0. Now it will become 4 sine square A plus 2 sine A minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in sine A. So we can calculate the value of sine A from this. We can calculate the value of sine A from this. Sine A will be equal to minus B. What is minus B? The coefficient of sine A here. So minus 2 plus minus B square minus 4AC. B square 4 minus 4. A is 4 and C is minus 1 upon 2 into A. 2 into 4. It is 2 into 4. So what will you get? you'll get minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 16. 4 plus 16 upon 8. It will be equal to minus 2 plus minus, it will be 20. It will be 20. 20 is 5 4s are 20. So 2 root 5. 2 root 5 upon 8. So if we can cancel 2, it will become minus plus minus root 5 upon 4. But we told you that this, what are we calculating? Sin A, sin 18. Sin 18 we are calculating. Sin 18 is in first quadrant, so it will become plus. Instead of minus, we will not take minus. Root 5 minus 1 upon 4 is the value of sin 18. It is the value of sin 18. So let us write sin 18 here. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. We calculated the value of sin 18 as root 5 minus 1 upon 4, which is written on the right side of the board, using the proposition that A is equal to 18, 5A is 90, so 2A plus 3A will be 90, and we said 2A will be 90 minus 3A, and we applied the law of sine. Sine 2A was sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta became cos theta, so we applied sine 2A to sine A cos A, and cos 3A we said is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, and from that we got the value of sine 18. Now I want to calculate the value of cos 18. For cos 18, cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. I have value of sine theta. If I want to calculate cos square 18, cos 18, so 1 minus sine square 18. 1 minus sine square 18, that will be how much? We will square this, root 5 minus 1 upon 4 whole square. It will become cos square 18 will be equal to 1 minus, when you square it will become 16. When you square the numerator, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. The square of root 5 is 5, then minus 2 root 5 plus 1. Let's take LCM 16. 16 minus 5 plus 2 root 2 5 minus 1 is equal to cos square 18. So cos square 18 will come out to be 16 minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. 16 minus 6 will be 10. 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 16. Now when I take the square root cos 18, again I am going to take only the plus sign, because cos 18 is going to be in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all ratios are positive. So it will be under root 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Upon 4 square root. I could have cut with 2, but I did not, because I'll get a same number as I'm getting there, because it will help me later. Now cos 18, the value of cos 18 is under root 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. This is the value of cos 18. I have got the value of sin 18. I have got the value of cos 18. Now let me get the value of tan 18. It will be simple. Tan 18 will be sin 18 upon cos 18. Divide the value of sin 18 by the value of cos 18. The value of sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Cos 18 is under root 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Both the denominators are same. They will cancel with each other. We will have root 5 minus 1 upon under root 10 plus 2 root 5. So this is the value of 1018. 1018 will be root 5 minus 1 upon under root 10 plus 2 root 5. So we have got the value of sine 18, cos 18 and tan 18. Now let us look into 36. Let us look into 36. T ratios of 36. Again we are going to assume A to be, let A to be 36. Here instead of 18 it is given 36. So 5A will be 180. If you multiply 5 into 36 you will get 180. 5A can again be written as 2A plus 3A is equal to 180, or I can write 2A as 180 minus 3A. Now let us apply again sine 2A. Sine 2A will be sine 180 minus 3A. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, but we told you sine 180 minus theta will remain sine theta only. It will become sine 3A. In 18 it was becoming cos 3A and we were applying the formula of cos 3A. Now it is sine 3A, and sine 2A is what? 2 sine A cos A. The formula of sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. And sine 3A is 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Cos 3A was 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Sine 3A is 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. Let's bring all the terms together. 2 sine A cos A minus 3 sine A plus 4 sine cube A is equal to 0. I can take sine A common. We'll take sine A common. It will be left 2 cos A minus 3 plus 4 sine square A is equal to 0. Now sine A cannot be equal to 0 because the value of A is 36. Sine 36 is not 0. So sine A cannot be equal to 0 because if the product of two numbers is 0, then one of them have to be 0. So sine A cannot be equal to 0. That means this is going to be equal to 0. The possibility of this is going to be equal to 0. So 2 cos A minus 3 plus 4 1 minus cos square A. I converted sine square A in terms of cos square A because I am getting cos A here. So I convert it so that I get a quadratic equation in the same variable. Here the variable will be cos A. Here the variable will be cos A. 2 cos A minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 cos square A. I'll write it as minus 4 cos square A plus 2 cos A plus 1 is equal to 0. We combine the like term, minus 3 plus 4 will become plus 1. Square term will be written first, then the single term and then constant. But it is minus, I will change the signs. 4 cos square A will be minus 2 cos A minus 1 will be equal to 0. Again it is a quadratic equation in terms of cos A, the variable cos A. Let us find the value of cos A. Cos A will be minus B, which is plus 2 because it is minus 2, plus minus under root B square minus 4AC. B square will be 4 minus 4, A is 4 and C is minus 1 upon 2A, 2 into 4. What will we get? 2 plus minus, actually it is plus minus here, 2 plus minus 4 plus 16. It will become 16. So it will become 2 plus 20. It will become 2 plus minus under root 20 upon 2 into 4. So it will become 2 plus minus, it will become 2 root 5 upon 2 into 4. It will become 2 will cancel, it will be 1 plus. We will take only plus sign, not minus, because it is a acute angle, and acute angle will be falling in the first quadrant. So cos square A, cos A we have calculated this to be, cos A is equal to minus 2, this we have calculated. So cos A or cos 36 will be 1 or root 5 plus 1 upon 4. This is cos 36. This is the value of cos 36. You can go through it again and see what we have done is, we said let A be 36, so 5A will become 180. 5A will be, this is the process, how do we do it? A is 36, so 5 times becomes 180, because we are trying to convert them into multiples of 90 or 180. Like in the previous case, when A was 18, we said 5A was 90. So 5A is 180, 5A will be 2A plus 3A is 180, so 2A will be 180 minus 3A. Then we applied sine 2A is equal to sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A is equal to 3 sine A. Now sine 3A, I have applied 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. From that I got 2 sine A cos A minus 3 sine A plus 4 sine cube A, and from that we calculated further and got the value of cos A, because this is a quadratic equation in cos A, and cos A, how will we get the root? Cos A is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. From that we've got the value of cos 36 as under root 5 plus 1 upon 4. So cos 36 I have got as under root 5 plus 1 upon 4. We'll use again sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, because I already have the value of cos 36. I will calculate the value of sine 36 using this. Sine square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus the value of cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 upon 4 square. This is sine square 36. It will come out to be 1 minus 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 1 upon 16. It will be 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 upon 16. It will come out to be 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 16. When you take out the square root, sine 36 will come out to be under root 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. So this is the value, and we are not taking minus sign here because it is an acute angle. So sine 36 will be under root 5 minus 1, sorry. Okay, it is under root 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. This is the value of sine 36. This is the value of sine 36. Now let us calculate the value of tan 36. Tan 36 will be sine 36 upon cos 36. That is 10 minus 2 root 5 upon root 5 plus 1. So it will become tan 36 sine upon cos. Now we have calculated sine 18, cos 18, tan 18, 36, 36, 36. Now we want to calculate 54 and 72. 72, 18, 54, 36 are complements of each other. Why? Because 54 plus 36 is 90. 18 plus 72 is also 90. They are complement of each other because the sum of the two angles are coming out to be 90. I already know sine 18. I'll know what is sine 18 is. So sine 18 can be, sine 18 will be what? Will be, that means cos 72. Sine 18 will be cos 72. Why sine 18 I will write as sine 90 minus 72. Sine 18 will be written as sine 90 minus 72, and sine 90 minus 72 will be cos 72. Cos 72. Value of sine 18 is root 5 minus 1. Root 5 minus 1 upon 4. So cos 72 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. If I want to write cos 18 will be cos 90 minus 72. That will be sine 72. And cos 18 I know is 10 plus 2 root 5 under root upon 4. So sine 18 is equal to cos 72, cos 18 is equal to sine 72, and what will be the value of 1072? 1072 will be obviously sine 72 upon cos 72. So 10 plus 2 root 5 upon root 5 minus 1. That will be the value, or 1018, complement of 1018 will be that. So we have got this. We have got 1072. Now we have calculated 72. Let us calculate 36. 36 will be like, how will we calculate 36 and 54? We have to calculate 54. So cos sine 36 can be written as sine 90 minus 54. Sine 90 minus 54, which will become cos 54. Cos 54. And sine 36 we already know is under root 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. So sine 36 will be cos 54, and cos 36 will be sine 54, and cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 upon 4, and 1054 will be, we have got sine cos 36, cos 54, sine 54. Now 1054 will be sine 54, that is root 5 plus 1 upon root 10 minus 2 root 5. So with the complements we can calculate the angle of cos 72, sine 72, 1072, cos 54, sine 54 and 1054. This is the complete topic of the T ratios of spatial angles. We have made a separate video for you for this specific chapter. You can go through it once again and see.